was linking on there and the whole cracked header.
What's going on here?
Well, she's cocked. Moral of that one.
Yeah, how long is it going to be till you sell this one?
Never.
Bullshit.
Never.
Bullshit.
Jason, if I sell this within 2.5 years, I will buy you a Testacuzzi.
I'll probably have one bought by the time I go inside. It sounds like a wonderful toy.
Fair enough. I'm doing the clutch.
Okay.
The throw bearing is whining like a fucking little bitch.
Right on.
Jesus. Fucking Christ. Door your door! Okay. What was that?
It's raining bullets. Okay, hang on.
Fuck. Transmission is out. Ben and Noah. Jason, I think you need to go inside. Transmission is out. Ben and Noah. Jason. You need to go inside.
Okay,
Transmission is out. Ben and Noah carried on their shoulders like Atlas with the globe. It was beautiful. And yeah, so now we're just gonna take off this old pressure plate and clutch, put the new eBay spec one on.
Yeah, brother.
Shut up, man. And then sand the flywheel a little because we do stuff properly.
Yeah, brother. Get that fucking flywheel off. Yeah, brother. You want one?
So Jason glued his teeth shut.
Yeah, we got the fucking erectile dysfunction gallery over here.
Yeah, you got an XTD, hey?
STD clutch kit.
Doing a little unboxing real quick.
Should we?
Yeah, I know,
I'm
blast
a bit worried about how it's gonna look.
It's gonna look mint, man.
Pressure plate. Noah said Jimmy Oakes runs these, and we trust Jimmy Oakes other than his wheel choices.
Yeah, it's the red one, man.
Oh, it's fucking red, dude.
Yellow sticker on it?
That is. Look at how they spray painted it, man.
Oh,
Are you
that's
kidding
sick.
me? Oof. I probably just should have bought. There's red paint on the surface.
That's what you want.
This. Look at the scratches on this.
It's mint.
What?
A fucking footprint, dude?
There's a footprint on this. Some red spray paint.
What'd you expect for
Dude,
80
look at all
bucks?
these spray. Well, why didn't I just buy an OE clutch kit? You're like, no, you need to buy this one.
Well, I was like, do what you want, but I've heard decent, like mixed reviews, but like mostly good.
Fuck, I don't want to do this again. Okay, let's take a look at the clutch. It's probably also scored. It's probably fucking used.
Dude, it's pre-broken in. That's what you want.
That's disappointing. I doubt this clutch kit's even for an S13.
Oh, dude.
Why is there no life on it?
What's mint, man?
What is that? What is that?
It's what?
Look at the like pubes on this, Jason. These look like your fucking old man pubes.
Dude, I'd run that. Looks mint.
That was Noah trying to scuff it up before he put it in.
Yeah.
Ben, does there look like there's a lot of life left on this clutch?
Looks
Plus,
fine.
like factory like beat.
Looks fine, man.
Don't touch the surface of the clutch.
How much did you pay for this?
$80. Look at this thing.
The same clippers that he used to cut his hair, he probably cut his ass.
Yeah, I just put it on the drill and just stick it in there sideways, get a good trim, you know? Lesson learned,
That
eh?
story.
I don't know, who knows? What if it's mint?
I kind of just want to go buy an OEM clutch kit and put it in.
No, fucking put it in, it'd be fine. It all comes from the same place, man.
So you're sure this is what Jimmy Cokes is running?
I swear.
STD clutches.
XTD, they've been running them. They say they're alright. It's pretty right on setup right there, man.
God damn it. Alright. Fuck.
Okay, we're gonna get this off, we're gonna scuff the flywheel. And then we'll check.
Jason.
And then we'll check back in.
You take this. Or the whole thing. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Can't see shit, it's so dark in here.
Ooh. Whipped out the throwout bearing. Look at how dicked it was. Or the pilot bearing, I mean. I think it was fact. So we're gonna Yankee and doodle the new eBay one in.
Yeah, we'll get it done, man. We're like 75% of the way there now.
Yeah.
Right on. Ben's gone. I don't know where the fuck he went.
Left us. They do this every year.
Alright.
We're gonna clean this little bung hole here. Lube her up.
Okay. Throw bearings on. Clutch is on. Ben's back. We're gonna put the tranny back in. schmolt it up real quick. And hopefully this thing doesn't slip. Right on. Alright, dude.
Fuck, dude. New clutch is in. We're just gonna toss in the front brake pads while we're here and I guess I can't say it. While we're here and we're while we're fucking chooching. So yeah, the new clutch is in. Wouldn't recommend buying the eBay shit because the pressure plate...
It barely fit.
Yeah, pressure plate would like fucking hammer it on, so it's probably not what you want to be doing, but we're dicked, so fuck, you know? So yeah, we're gonna break her in after we put these pedals on, and then our fucking brake pads on, and then get her going.
Right on, eh?
I was blacked out.
Alright, man. Everything's installed?
Oh, we need to clear everything out from behind us so I can drive it out.
Oh, yeah. You're
Yeah.
just gonna open the door.
Everything's bicked together.
Yeah, boy. New clutch, new front brakes, dude. Hopefully she's fucking mint.
Fucking mint.
Right arm.
Fucking mint.
Right on, dude.
Fuck you, dude.
Right on, bud. Fuck yeah, bud.
Fuck yeah, bud.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
Yes, dick, eh?
Alright, back her up, dude.
So aren't I gonna hit those mark ones? Ooh.
Now you're good. How's she
My brake
feel?
pedal just went straight to the floor. So I had to like build up the...
Yeah, you gotta build her up, dude.
Pedal feels stiff.
That's an XTD performance.
It feels actually really stiff.
Dude, you're not paying for
It's
looks.
springing back like...
You're paying for performance, dude. Okay?
What about the... I was getting looks though.
You got the red? Oh, second time's a charm.
Exhaust leak is so bad.
What? I know. I might just buy a new header.
Dude, wait till you hear mine, Ben. You don't know.
I heard it when you started.
It's so bad. Alright, dude, how'd you feel?
It's like really low.
That's mint.
Oh, it feels mint.
It doesn't slip.
That thing sounds terrible. This thing's a piece of shit.
Why, dude? You hear it running?
Yeah, it's because the exhaust is the fattest leak in the world. You'll see in a sec, it's not even hooked up. Yeah, like my last second coolant overflow I made last night, it's like a drag here. Pretty fire.
Oh, is that a fucking monster, dude?
You know what I really love about your engine? Power steering.
I'm telling you, man. It's unreal.
Oh, is Jason getting a little jealousy boner? Oh, we won't be able to see anyway. Ben's over here. Wrenching some tires off some Mark 1s.
Oh, yeah. And like recreate this
Decent.
piece.
What a guy. Look at how dry... Oh! Look how dry rotted these
Yeah.
are.
Been like sitting for a super long time or something.
Crunchy.
The fixing the exhaust leaks, dude.
Putting the other hole in?
Yeah.
Is it almost bedtime?
Yeah. It's almost time for dinner. It's 4:30.
Getting ready for the home. And sliding you in that as soon as possible, right?
Peter?
Is Jason going on home as soon as possible?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the first thing he said to me. As soon as you're at legal age, you're going at the home.
What's the legal age?
I don't know.
60? So I can prove he's like has dementia or something.
Yeah.
Shingles.
Shingles. They should be really old, haven't they?
I think
Yeah,
you said
that's
that chicken pox or something.
No, it's a form of. I think it's a form of herpes.
Oh, so you definitely have that.
I have herpes of the lip. I do.
Oh.
What's the other one that you have? Like syphilis or something?
You tighter than a freaking non-sphincter? Or
Yeah,
what?
dude.
Did you unplug it already?
Yep.
Ooh. You okay?
Yeah, dude.
Did it just round?
I hope not. Okay. What? No, it needs to be redone, man. It looks like fucking shit.
It's real quick, like electrical tape thing.
Yeah. When the bumper comes, I'll get it resprayed.
Are you put the sides to the side? Yeah.
Fire!
Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying, man. Shit needs to be fixed.
I think there's a slight leak there, eh?
We need to
Maybe
drill
that's
this
where it's
stud
leaking.
out and then unbolt this. What are those, 12s? And then this is what I wanted to weld shut, because this hose thing is some fucking bullshit. So, header's out. Ben's drilling out the broken stud in the cat. Trying to get the manifold out right now.
Yeah, it's gotta come off from the top.
Yeah. Alright, dude. Let's just drill this out and then we'll drop it down again, I guess.
Licky.
Right arm. Ooh. Alright. So, we were going to use the S14 one, but this should be stuck. So, you can see where it's leaking. I don't know if this even is leaking, but maybe we should weld it just in case. Yeah, re-weld it, reseal it, and she'll be fucking mint.
Yeah, that was a big gap with the cat where it's leaking out of.
Yeah, it'll sound way better with.
Dude, you look up. You look like fucking Shrek, dude.
Oh, fire it!
That's also getting welded in.
Yes, indeed, as in Phillips. Dude, that's a fucking sick ass gasket, dude.
Ben's gotta weld up this little sphincter here.
Yeah. First, I was just gonna catch on fire and just melt away.
Seems like a weird material.
It's like thick cardboard.
You gonna freehand that circle?
Fucking right, I am.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, eh?
Oh.
Fuck.
Nice. Alright, Noah's gonna put that in. We're not gonna film it because that's
Some stupid shit, dude.
yeah, dude. Headers on. That came from out of my car.
Yeah.
We're missing that somewhere in my car.
Okay. Lay it on nice and thick. Oh yeah. Yeah, cunt. It's all nice and slobby.
You want to like just smear it with your fingy slightly.
Ooh, this stuff stinks, dude. Oh, it stinks. Nice.
It stinks good.
Stinks good, Ben?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what it smells like? It smells like wasabi. Wasabi an asshole. Is it a good size, Ben? Is it gonna fit in this hole though? Ah!
Okay.
Line me up.
Oh my god, you're smearing all the shit everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah. Fucking hell. Yeah. Strip it on. Fuck.
You wanna try to do it?
Alright, we sealed up the exhaust. This is the moment of truth here.
You really let the sealant harden.
The heat helps it harden, you know? Right, Ben?
Yeah.
That's how it works, right? Yeah. Sure is it. Should I just leave it for a sec? Or should I start? Alright, fuck it. Alright, moment of truth.
Just gotta be a little bit less.
Is it any quieter? We should have started it when it was on the arm, so the voice is
That's a lot better.
Yeah.
That's a lot better.
Alright, dude.
See ya, dude.
Catch you later, dude.
Fuck you, dude.
Fuck you, dude.
Fucking decent mods. Good day of mods. Long day of mods.
Long fucking day.
Got the clutch in. Got the new brake pads in. Got Noah's exhaust way quieter. But yeah, next week we got some shit coming. The container's coming for Garage Shinoshi. So remember to save your loonies and toonies. Also, first week of July we're dropping so much fucking fire shit, dude.
It's gonna be
It's fucking
next
fire.
level right on to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, we got to run to Canadian Tire because they close in 15 minutes to deliver this shit that we rented. But yeah,
let's
so
get a move on,
comment,
man.
like, subscribe. Come on, just like it. It's free. It helps the boys. And yeah, subscribe. All right. Frig off.
Let's go do it.
The boys will try to